All right, this is part one of Lab 4. Question one, what is the 48-bit Ethernet address of your computer? You could click right here. This is going to be the message, the get message. So for my computer with source, this is going to be my 48-bit Ethernet address. For number two, it's going to ask for the destination address, the frame, and what device has this Ethernet address. So this Ethernet is going to be the destination is going to be right here, and this is not going to be the Ethernet address of Gaia, but it's going to be the Ethernet address of my TP-Link router. All right, and for number three, give the hexadecimal value of the 2-bit frame type field. What's the upper layer protocol does this correspond to? All right, so if you check right here, the type, it's going to be the 2-bit frame right here. You can see it right here. It's just going to be 0800, and it's going to be type IPv4 for the IPv4 protocol. How many bytes very started each frame does the ASIC G and get appear in the Ethernet frame? So if we find G over here, it's gonna be 47. It's gonna show right here for 47. So it's 47 bits into the frame. Or actually maybe like 430 bytes into the frame. That's when you'll see it. So I'm gonna change right there. 430 bytes. It says right there. The frame. Um, what's the value of the Ethernet source address? So Ethernet source address is going to be right here, and this is the address. This address is not my address, but it's the address of it's not the address of my computer, but it's the address of the router. Um, what is the destination address? 6. What's the destination address of the Ethernet frame? Is this the Ethernet address of your computer? Destination should be right here, and this is the Ethernet address of my computer. So I think I actually got this wrong. Let me fix it real quick. 4C. Okay. I think I clicked one of these earlier. Got the wrong answer. It had to been one of these ones. Yeah. Okay. 7. Give the hexadecimal value of the 2-byte frame. Of the 2-byte frame. It's gonna be right here. Same thing as the one above. It corresponds to the IPv4 protocol. And for bytes for OK, hoping I'm clicking on the right one. This should be the OK message. And we could actually check by going up to analyze your protocols. PV4. So this is the OK message. This is 137. Okay, so we're just gonna go back. Internet protocols. Internet. So let's click on 37. It's not showing it here, but I know when I did it, there's the OK was right there, and it started like I want to say it was not 44 bytes down, but it was more like I want to say it was around like 430, 430 bytes down. Yeah, and then moving on for the address resolution, we're gonna go pull out the Ethernet trace. So we're gonna see right here that the destination. So the first one, okay. So it's gonna start off with the destination being right here, and the source is right here. Oh, I think I did that wrong here too. So 00 DO 59 A9 3D 68. There. That looks a little wrong, so just gonna change that. And then get the hexadecimal value of the 2 byte. So whenever we go look for it, you just click right here. It's gonna show you 08, 06, and that represents type ARP. So yeah, that's the upper layer. The corresponding upper layer protocol is ARP. And how many bytes from the very beginning is the ARP code? Well, we click right here for the opcode. So it's about 20. So for the beginning, it's about 20 bytes. That's how you get the ARP opcode. For 4, what's the value of the opcode field or payload beginning? So it'll start with 00. You'll see it's gonna 0001. So for 6, does the ARP message contain the IP address of the sender? Yes, it does. Has it right here. It's the ARP code for the sender. Where in the ARP request does the question appear? The Ethernet address and machine. It's corresponding IP. It's in the target MAC, so it's right here. Target MAC address and target IP field. You'll see right here. That's what's being like queried. For 7, how many bytes from the very beginning does the ARP code field begin? Same thing. 20. Same thing. It's gonna be 20 bytes and all that. But instead, difference. It says double. It's 0002 instead of 001 like earlier. And 9, where in the ARP message does the answer to the earlier ARP request appear? The IP address naming machine. So the ARP request appears in the sender MAC, which contains right here, and it has the IP address right there. And that's the end of part 1.